We all have car lovers in our lives. So this Christmas, why not purchase them a gift for less than $100?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing.
The Lego Ducati Panigale V4R for just $70 on Lego's website is a great gift for the car lover in your life. This Lego model consists of 646 pieces and when fully assembled is over 1 foot long. This is also suitable for ages 10 and over. This model also features functional suspension, 2-speed gearbox, and comes with a matching stand so you don't get any scratches on your assembled Ducati. And for the careful driver in your life, why not cop a brand new dash cam like the APEMAN C40 for only $45 on Amazon. This camera features a 3-inch LCD, supports 1080p resolution, and has a 170-degree wide-angle viewing lens. It also sports seamless loop recording and has a parking monitor, so you would be able to monitor everything that's going on around your vehicle while you are away from it. Stanley's Simple Start car charger is a great device for jump starting your vehicle. For just $80 on Amazon, you can start any V8 engine up to 5 liters. The Stanley car charger also features a 12-volt male socket for charging your onboard battery, and the green LED lets you know when the car is ready to start. And if you're the type who likes to be his own mechanic, the BRAUN 390 Lumen folding LED work light is a great tool to have in your toolkit. This light features a strong magnetic base, which is great for adhering to your car or to your toolbox, and also has tip lights, which are great for getting into these small nooks and crannies, or you could use a light bar for bigger jobs. This battery is fully rechargeable and is available on Harbor Freight for only $35. Club Subi, Club Altezza, Club Forester, Club HRV, y'all know yourselves. Why not cop a nice mini fridge for your island tours like the COOLULI mini freezer for only $50 on Amazon? And guys, if you are going to tinker with your vehicles, you need a nifty diagnostics device like the INNOVA Car Scan Advisor Model 520 for only $90 on Advanced Auto Parts. This OBD2 scanner will read, decipher, and clear any check engine light trouble codes. It will run battery tests, smoke test evaluation, and system diagnostics for ABS codes on most vehicles. It also features freeze frame data, which captures exactly what was going on at the moment an error code was triggered. If you like the idea of having your garage door open for you while you are still approaching your home, the Amazon Echo Auto for $50 on Amazon is a great device to have installed in your vehicle. For a simple Bluetooth connection, you will have Alexa right in your vehicle and have access to all your smart devices at home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post new content. I hope you guys have a very safe Christmas. Drive carefully, guys. Drive carefully. Those Boxing Day tours, there's no need to race. You will get to your destination as long as you remain vigilant on the road. Remember, it's better to get there late than to not get there at all. Stay safe and
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing.